Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Moon Gems, and on this channel I'll be bringing you the latest crypto gems, reviews and tutorials. So if that sounds interesting to you, then consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like on this video if it helps you out in any way. So in this video I'll be showing you how to correctly configure your MetaMask wallet in order to access BEP20 tokens on the Binance Smart Chain network. So I'm assuming you have already downloaded and set up your MetaMask wallet. If you haven't, then just come over to the MetaMask website and download the web browser app. The process in this video is also the same if you're doing this on your smartphone. However, you will need to do the steps on your smartphone app even if you've already done so on your computer, and vice versa. So as you can see, the default settings will be set to the Ethereum mainnet. However, this is not compatible with the tokens on the Binance Smart Chain, and you can potentially lose your crypto if you end up sending them to the wrong network. So to start, first click on the circular profile icon in the top right. Then we'll select Settings, then Networks, and then Add Networks. On here, we'll be manually adding all of the details for the Smart Chain network, but don't worry, we have it all laid out for us thanks to this great article by the Binance Academy, and I'll have that link down in the description. So all we need to do is copy and paste all of this info into the correct fields and click on Add. So now we can see that we've correctly configured our MetaMask wallet to allow us to send and receive tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. If you need to access tokens on the Ethereum network, all you have to do is click on the network button and choose Ethereum from the drop down list. Now again, we can see that the units and networks has changed back to Ethereum. Now that we're done, let's demonstrate how you would send BNB tokens to your wallet. I'm going to be using Binance to show you this as an example, but it's relatively the same process for any of the major crypto exchanges. So from the home screen, we'll need to hover over wallets, then click Overview. This will show you the USD and BTC balance of your wallet. Next, click on Withdraw. Here, you will select what coin you wish to withdraw. It will automatically bring up all of the crypto assets you hold in your wallet. Next, select BNB. In this address bar, you need to paste your MetaMask ID. We can get this by going to our MetaMask wallet and simply clicking on the address to copy it. It will then automatically recognize and fill in the network field as BEP20 BSC. Then simply fill in the amount of BNB you wish to send, or click on Max to send all the BNB you currently hold in your Binance Spot wallet. It also conveniently shows you your available BNB balance. Over here, it shows you the amount of BNB you will receive at your MetaMask wallet, and also the network fee, which is paid in BNB from the amount being withdrawn. The minimum amount you can withdraw is 0.02 BNB, which is around $8 at the time of making this video. Once submitting your withdrawal order, it usually takes around 5 minutes for the transaction to be approved, but it can be much quicker, or it could be much longer than that according to how congested the network is. The funds will then be deposited into your MetaMask wallet and you will see your BNB value. You can then use these funds to exchange for other BEP20 tokens on the Smart Chain network using decentralized exchanges such as Pancakeswap. So that is how you connect your MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain. Please subscribe to the channel if you want more content and like the video if it helped you out. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.